Hello everyone. Can you find the value of the given expression? So today I am going to explain how to find the value of the given expression. And this type of questions are generally asked in CAT, MAT and other competitive exams. So let's start. So for solving this expression, first we solve this part, only this part. So this is 16 minus 8 root 3. So this is equal to, we can write 16 as 12 plus 4 minus 8 root 3. So now 12 we can write as 2 root 3 whole square, because 2 into 2 4 and root 3 equal to 3. So 4 into 3 equal to 12. So we can write 12 as 2 root 3 whole square plus 4 as 2 square. Now 8 root 3 we can write like 2 into 2 root 3 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4 into 2 equal to 8 and 8 root 3. So we can write 8 root 3 equal to 2 into 2 root 3 into 2. And this is A. Suppose we write this as A and this B. So this is equal to 2A into B. Now we can write this whole expression as A minus B whole square. So we can write this as 2 root 3 minus 2 whole square. We can write like that. So now this is equal to, we can write under the root 6 minus 4 root 3 plus 16 minus 8 root 3 equal to, this gives this. So we can write under the root 16 minus 8 root 3 equal to 2 root 3 minus 2 whole square, and this gives under the root 6 minus 4 root 3 equal to plus 2 root 3 minus 2, and this implies 4 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4 minus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3 gives minus 2 root 3 under the root. So now we have 4 minus 2 root 3. Now again we can write 4 as 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3, and this is equal to, we can write 3 as under the root 3 whole square, under the root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square, and 2 root 3 we can write 2 into root 3 into 1. Now again if we take root 3 as A, 1 equal to B, 1 B, and now we have this one equal to 2A into B. So again this is the whole square of A minus B, means this is equal to under the root under root 3 minus 1 whole square, and this gives under the root 3 minus 1, and this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to suggest any topic that you want me to discuss. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Thank you for your support. See you soon.